So let's talk about where have all the bonuses been?
Fucking sorry. Okay. Okay. Listen, I've done articles for the last 5 years for RSG. One of the main articles that I've done over and over is the importance of incentives, quests. We're talking about Uber, but we know they're the same, but they're called different things like guarantees, boost, surge is something you hunt for, you're good at, you get it, whatever. That's a different story. All these bonuses, certain times, right, make up about in certain weeks in my career of driving made up close to 40% of the total income. Now, obviously, that's where show me the money comes from. They show you the money, you go get the money. Like last week, Lyft show me the money. You guys are going to see it next week. I took it. I'm not going to shy from it. But when they don't show me the money and they show you this shit, this is garbage. This is exactly decline garbage right here. Hashtag decline garbage. Now, if you're going to do 80 trips and they're going to pay you $45, that's less than 50 cents a trip. And 80 trips for $70. These are the best ones that I saw. By the way, from Chris, from what I can remember, the last 7 years as an LA driver, it was the first time I got it from San Francisco, Orange County, LA. Nobody, these are not even from LA, nobody got quests in California, period.
Yeah,
I'm like, holy crap, bro.
There were ones that I've seen that were $5 that it was the trip amount, $5 was their extra.
Yeah.
Some haven't even made, some haven't even had an offer. So this,
I don't know what's going on. Well, look, we talked about this previous shows. We're going to do a deep dive next week. We don't want to get into it too long, make the show too long, but there's definitely a lot of drivers out, right? So when there's a lot of drivers out, Uber goes or Lyft goes, why do I need to pay more? Through bonuses. But, you remember we had a conversation, I think it was yesterday, the day before, Chris. You brought up something really interesting, and I think I want you to finish with that, which is, remember the split we have, 75-25, right?
Yeah.
So when they took the split away, this quest started coming in, right? So basically they're taking your money, giving it back to you in this form where they can have total control. And in some weeks when the quests are 30-40% of a driver's income, because on one hand they're cutting the rates, but they're giving you the bonus and quest, and not everybody is supposed to get this, right? And then the throttling games we play, right? And on the last 3, they're going to send you to Timbuktu. We all know that's good stuff. So talk about that a little bit. Explain to everybody, from the split, the 75-25 split, how come we're here like in the last 10 years, right?
All right. So this is going to be for drivers who have been driving for several years. You're going to be like 6 or plus years. You probably already know all this, but if you're newer, this is something you probably don't have any knowledge of. So originally how Uber was paying out and Lyft was doing this as well too, it was the 80-20 split. So 80% would go to the driver and then 20% would go to the rider. I'm sorry, to the Uber, and the 100% would be made from the rider. So $10 for a ride, $8 goes to the driver, $2 goes to Uber. Then they updated it to 75-25, which honestly sucks when you take that 5%. Some people were grandfathered in and stayed at that 80-20, while new drivers came on at 75-25. But either way, everybody ended up going to 75-25 split no matter what. And this then had changed once upfront fare or upfront estimates had come out. And this was where the passenger would see how much the ride would be specifically, because before that, they had no idea. They would just order the ride and then be charged after the ride was complete. So if there was, 14x surge or something, they were paying a lot of money. But in any event, then once that came around, this is where driver pay switched to the time and mileage. So you have base time and mileage. And what ended up happening, as Sergio just said, that's when these bonuses started coming, where it was the quest bonuses. So if you took 50 rides, you get $120 or whatever it was. But the thing was, what they would do is that was part of the 75-25 split still. So drivers would make 75% as long as they were doing the quests and promotions that were available to them. because that was in there by design. So Uber would always take the 20% or 25%. And then you start seeing, you know, the 40, the 50, the X percent. That was kind of going on already, but people were just waking up to it being more aware. And that's because they cut off 30 to 40% of your pay when it came from that 75 to 25 split to the upfront or to the time and mileage distance. That was a big pay cut right there, because then that's when the bonuses were coming in. And it's like, I don't want the bonuses. Do not give me the bonuses. I don't want it. I drive part-time. I might not actually hit that. So, and several drivers are out there not able to hit that either. If you're full-time or you're driving and you're hitting those bonuses, you're getting that 75-25 split for the most part. But when it comes to drivers who are doing it part-time, when it comes to drivers going out here and there, a little extra money, you weren't going for those bonuses or promotions because, let's face it, you really probably couldn't take those rides. But if you didn't do that, you're putting more money into Uber's pocket or Lyft's pocket versus into your own. It's like, just do away with those damn promotions. Pay me, you know, that 75-25 split. I'd be fine with that. I wouldn't care. But that's what they were doing. And now they're going to this upfront fares where they take away time, they take away distance. There's no percentage. There's nothing there.
We started here, right? Now, then the split went lower. Then it went to miles and minutes. So I had 4 that I remember of mile and minute cuts. And then they would increase the, you know, quest for a little bit to make it look like, oh yeah, we're just paying it back. No, it's my money, asshole. You're paying my money back to me because you cut the rate? No, it doesn't work. I know math. It doesn't make sense. Now we're at the ultimate game now. We're down to the upfront fares now.
So,
now we're like, you know.
What was the big joke for the last few years? Race to the bottom, right?
Yep. Well, look, man, if this is not the bottom, if this is not the bottom, I don't know what the bottom is. This has got to be the bottom.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.